Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to cover the Tapo C420 with the Tapo C425 and what are the main differences between these two. So the battery life is better up to 300 days for 425. Then you have the same video resolution. Frame rate is better for 425. Then also you are going to have better field of view. So this is huge. So look here on the diagonal and horizontal. So in this regard, the 425 is just like crazy difference. Then you can have better spotlights. You can see right here. So this is another thing. Then also the aperture is better for C420. C145 got better siren, and also both got the cloud storage and micro SD. And then when the network connectivity is like okay for both, the weather resistance IP66 is better, and storage temperature is better for, but not like 15 Celsius. So if you don't live in Dubai, then you should be like, or Sahara, you should be fine. So yeah, I mean like when you see here battery life, the field of view, the spotlights, the siren volume, all these like AI detection is the same. So these are important things that I wanted to share with you. So have a great day and goodbye.